Kailangan 12:30 na patapos na tayo para merong leeway pag-upload.
Hanggang 11:59 lang, right?
Kaya naman
Okay.
yun, 'di ba? Mga 3 gigabytes.
Huh. This place definitely looks like it's seen some shit.
Banks, you still here? Yeah, I'm here. You the Marines?
Hindi ako makagalaw.
Not exactly. Stuck up here and members only. Get me out and they ride on my helicopter out of the city.
I'll sail. Now to find our way up. Do we use the stairs?
Nah, stairs are no good. All the doors are barricaded. But there's a private elevator down there. Take it right up to me. It's automatic. Pay to use. The level chips only.
Sakto na yan.
Spread out. Find or win.
Parang hindi maganda yan, ah.
Running.
Pupunta sa'yo lahat. Nagbato ako? Uy! Positive.
I've added chips to the elevator. Adding to the bill. That's all we needed. Elevator's coming down.
Ito.
Oo. Unfortunately. Meron pa kayo?
Stay alive while the elevator's on
Meron
its
ako
way.
2-1. Tapos meron dito ano.
Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan.
Chips dito. Ito may chips.
this.
Copy.
Finally! Elevator's here! Let's go!
Chips pa dun, sayang.
Pulot na lang tayo.
Nakumbag.
Meron yan.
We're out of the elevator. Now where?
May dalawang bag.
I'm just on the other side of the building. There should be a side with anything else is gonna be boarded up.
We'll see you soon. Take a look at this.
I work security at a concert here. It was awful.
Huh, I've heard that before. Stingiest place in town.
Eyes open. You gotta hide.
Nag-hoard. Run.
All that practice paid off.
Unang machine, no?
Hey, get your asses over here.
Okay, we made it. Don't see
Ito,
anyone else
taas.
Ano ba to? Nag-hoard. Nag-hoard. Puta na.
Okay. Pindot.
Dalawa yung machine sa ilalim niyan. Nasaan si Big Bang?
Copy.
I found some chips. Defected. Grab it.
Gonna need these chips.
Who wants more?
We have to collect chips for the machine.
Reloading.
Wasn't this one?
Baba.
Check it out.
I'll give this one a try.
We'll see if the code works on this. We can't activate the machines without chips.
Bullet gone. Look out for the football.
Punta na ba sa kabila? Sino bang merong ano? May chips.
Sa ilalim? Di, nag-try na kayo. Okay na.
On the way. Betting.
We'll see if the code works on this.
Paano ba siya harangan? Para wala siya makita.
Bomber.
Nasaan?
Pababa,
Taas.
pababa. Nice.
Okay.
Anybody else?
Ground floor.
Heads up. Move.
Uy,
Ayun, tapos na. Wait lang.
Tara.
teka lang. Uy,
Okay, may adrenaline ako.
okay.
Takbo lang.
Takbo lang daw.
Tapos patayin mo ako.
Loading fresh ammo.
Masunurin.
Yun.
Mga sunuring tao yan. Tatlo na ba? Oo, tatlo na. Let's go up.
Tataning ano, sample?
Tatlo na. Oo.
Hit na ako ah.
Kitnaas.
Ito yung mga tao kay Banks.
Huwag. Diretso.
Libang.
Doon ako kain. What the fuck?
6 minutes. Sure kayo guys, tatlo na? 1,
Meron ako.
2, 3, okay.
Ano pa sa
Pasunog na lang. Doon.
Pwede ba sunugin
Pakita
agad?
mo na kayo dito saglit.
Teka lang, nag-breach ako habang wala pa. Baka may
Nagpunta ako na lang kayo,
MGL.
guys, Yan, tas ikaw. Yan, okay na yan.
Go. Gamitin.
Ulit. Scout rifle. Sporting carbine pala.
Pare-pares tayo ng baril. Wala ding baril doon puro medkit eh.
Anybody else?
Left side.
Flare gun tuloy. Flare gun.
Right side.
Bull's gonna charge.
The bull.
Who wants more? I see a big one. We got to move.
Atras.
Bakit pa isang bull? Yan. Punta lang ito.
Reloading. There's enough for everybody. Loading ammo.
Tabi kayo moment tatlo dun sa exit. Shoulder to shoulder.
Anybody else?
Tapos ko na.
Who wants some? Dispenser.
Ito na.
Reloading.
Tara guys.
Yan na siya, let's go.
Tabi kayo. Tabi kayo yan. Tabi kayo na. 9 minutes and 40 seconds. 9 minutes and 42.
Good
Pag may
job,
goal
guys.
talaga magagawa.
All clear. Command, Ace 2
Ay,
leaving
nako.
evac site.
Nagwala to, kala ko mag-iisa pa bilang umakyat na. Okay na yun.
Tama na yun, guys, no? Okay na?
Finally
Tayo na
cut.
tayo.
Map 3 full
Baka mali pa yung
Nine.
ma-upload mo.
minutes 42 seconds or 52? 42. Copy. Ito na, upload ko na.